want to download Twitch VODs. Cool. Yes. So the goal for this stream is to have the AI streamer yap less and also maybe put some effort into the 3D avatar, and we will go for a few hours until, either I'm way too tired or we're done, right? So, yeah. Let's start by doing a whole bunch of prompting, right? The prompt is, ooh, as you're in charge of the stream, always give, stream say, all the actions will go to other walls, should be similar to, right? You should try to be funny and also believe, and also avoid repeating. Your tendency to click with your mouse instead of on the screen, unless you have to. If the game is being played, do not Google search. You don't have a way to go back yet. Sometimes it says insane things for the sake of content. That's where the CIA thing came from last time. It's because they told us to sometimes say insane things. That's fine. That's fine. Then what I need to do is, okay. I also want to add like a memory mechanism, right? So I want to do that. Cool. Yeah, I'm also gonna add it to the stream a little bit later, but yeah. So sometimes it's insane things for the sake of content. They avoid saying messages that are longer than 2 sentences. And I'll give it 3 sentences. As that drives away viewers. Cool. Now we have that. What I need to do is I just need to have it do stuff, right? Like I just need to fundamentally have it yeah, I need to fundamentally have it well, first we have to like try out the prompt changes. And obviously we won't have to see it immediately, but yeah. Let's start it up and then let's give the AI streamer like just a view of the screen. I should have this be in another. I should start this up elsewhere. Obviously, we have all of that going on. Yeah, cool. Not on desktop. Right in space. Okay, streamer. Unfortunately, it doesn't have Twitch chat just yet because I've not turned that on, though. No. So I probably should. Hold on. Cool. The Twitch. 124. Okay. Twitch chat having some issues. That's fine. That's fine. We deal with that. Cool. It's doing UI info type stuff. It's just kind of doing stuff in the background, and we should.
Okay, let's fix this audio mess. First, Python 3 needs installing. Then, we'll tackle those ALSA and Jack errors.
Okay, ignore all of that. We're just here to test the yapping, because you tend to yap a little bit more. But, yeah. Yeah, cool. So while that's error audio, I don't particularly care right now, because we just need to have it running for a little bit, because it just tends to yap. Because once it like comes up onto some topic, right, like llama theme, like I don't know, like a llama theme, like restaurant.
All right, folks, Python's installed. Let's conquer those audio gremlins. First, we're tackling ALSA.
We're not tackling anything. We're not going to be tackling anything. We don't actually particularly care about that right now, because the audio is, I think it's good enough for us. It's good enough for our purposes today. So, yeah, in essence, what we need to do is, I want to put a memory mechanism, because I think some of my issue is that it's just kind of seeing the entire history and be like, I can safely ignore it and do whatever I want with it. And then I just had to take the memory mechanism and effectively combine it all into one, right? So I would like the memory mechanism. So also I like persistence between streams, right? So, yeah, I don't know. response is very important info that should be stored. Laptop is charged. Oh dear God. We good? We good? OBS is doing just fine. My terminal crashed. Okay. Okay then. That's wild. Terminal crash issue. Okay. That's unfortunate. We try this again. In my desktop. Right, let's reactivate that. Let's reactivate that. Cool. Now what I need to do is I need to start it up again. It might just be because I was yapping too much, but you know. Whatever. I'll let that start up in the background. Anyways, how much of this got saved? None of it got saved. Okay, cool. That's unfortunate. No save is there. That start up in the background. Oh, cool. The Twitch stream is back. Amazing. Yeah. So, what I need to do now is I need to, yeah, I need to just kind of set it up so that it actually does stuff. So, yeah. I don't know why I'm having just perf issues. Generating LLM response. Okay, we're good. Stop list index out of range. What? Hold on. Let's run that again. Let's run that again, and let's see how this goes. Like, fundamentally, I'm trying to do some new stuff here where I have it running while I'm developing on it. And I don't know if that's the best idea, but yeah, cool. Now it's doing the recording, and we can continue editing the code. Amazing. I'm gonna let it do stuff and get back into a stable state first. I think that's what I'm gonna start with. But yeah. Why is it not? We're still getting UI info, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, dear
Sounds
God.
like a plan. Let's get back to editing.
Amazing, amazing. Cool. Now we're... Yeah, now we're doing stuff. Cool, what do you... Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I think fundamentally the memory mechanism can happen simultaneously, right? Because we can get the memory mechanism...
Oof, audio issues? Let's see what's up.
What is it typing? It's... Oh, investigate the audio issues. I need to disable the ability to write while I'm in a terminal. Because it's... Yeah. Right? Like, I think it's having issues with that. But, Obviously we also have perf issues. We have a bunch of other issues there here as well. But yeah. So what I need to do now is, I think, yeah, I think it's tendency to not.
So, memory mechanisms can't be simultaneous? Interesting point.
Oh my god, it's attempting to listen attentively to my explanation. Cool. Yeah, amazing. It's. I mean, it is not yapping as much, which is good. I'm just gonna go to Google. I'm just gonna go to Google and I'm just gonna let it do its thing for a little bit, cause I think I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to wait for it to.
Disable terminal writing? Sounds like a plan to fix those perf issues.
I mean, I guess. I mean, it's not yapping enough at this point. Like, I think it's not having anything of substance. I liked how it had substance before. Right now, it's not yapping enough.
Alright, let's see what Google conjures up.
Okay. But yeah, no, it's like I think fundamentally it's having issues where it doesn't actually. It's not yapping enough. Like I had given it the space there, right? I wanted to use
Installing
like
Python 3 on Linux, huh? Let's see those instructions.
Cool, amazing, amazing. Search for something else. And we're processing audio.
Those Python 3 install methods look intense. Let's try the top one.
I think what we want to try is you just trying to do something else, you know? Also, what is this guide? Is this literally just a sudo apt install?
Audio's still glitching? Let's troubleshoot that Python install instead.
Yeah, no, it's not yapping enough. It is not yapping enough. I'm gonna kill it and I'm gonna try to get it to yap a little bit more. Cool. Longer than. I'll give it 10 sentences, okay? Right, here's my runner. Cool. That's just gonna go for a little bit while we run a test. While we run a test, you know. While we run the test and it does stuff. Yeah. We just need to give it a little bit of time. Cool. Obviously, while we're waiting, nobody in chat. I'm just kind of doing this to the void. You know how it is. You know how it is. Yeah. Maybe I should live stream on YouTube and.
Okay, cool. So, installing Python on Linux, huh? Let's see those results.
It clicked on some point. We are not going to do piracy. That is not happening on stream today. Yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to go do a very.
Yeah, streaming to the void is relatable. Let's find you some Python. Click the top result.
Okay, I don't know what it's trying to go to my stuff. Let's just go to google.com and let's chill. Right? Let's chill. Almost out of storage, I don't care.
Looks like the University of Waterloo's Learn page is down. Bummer.
No, it's not.
Anyone know what's up with that? Anyone got any Waterloo stories?
I mean, look, I am a student at the University of Waterloo, so you know how it is. Right? The latency is actually kind of getting to me here.
Okay, almost out of storage, Time for a Google One upgrade or a mass file deletion. Which is more fun?
You know what? Do a mass file deletion. Let's go to my Google Drive and let's delete some files. You delete some of the files. I need to make the perf better. I need to make better perf. This is really annoying, bro.
Okay, so Google One, let's see those sweet, sweet deals. Annual is always better, right?
I ah I It's not yapping enough. I needed to yap more. I needed to yap more. I'm stuck in the state where I wanted to yap more. Anyways, I don't care. They avoid saying messages that are incredibly long, but every message of theirs is what is it? Every message of theirs is has substance to it. Alright, let's do this again. Cool. Amazing. Just go to google.com. Yeah. We just need to get it to kind of do some more stuff, you know? So, yeah.
Looks like our guest is interested in expanding their horizons. Perhaps some Python programming?
It wasn't the right tab. I blocked it because I was moving my mouse. That was my bad. But yeah, no, like it's doing stuff. Also, why is my Google dark mode? How do I more settings, other settings, dark theme off. I know device default confirm. Cool, amazing. Dark theme is now off. Right, I need to fix the audio thing.
So, Sanjay, Google Docs mode? That's a new one. Let's investigate.
It wants to click on some stuff. Yeah. No, I think you can yap more. Like, you can talk more. We have no viewers, so there's nobody to scare away. You know?
Audio issues, Let's fix that, stat. What kind of mic are we using, Sanjay?
What we need to do, right, is we need to have it, like, not ignore me when I'm saying stuff. You know? Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, the yapping is done.
So, no viewers to scare off, Bold strategy, Cotton. Let's talk Python then.
Yeah, it's not yapping enough. I don't know. Let's talk. What do you want to search? It's your stream. Pick what you want to search. Let's Google something. Let's have some fun.
Okay, so subtitles are working, but what about that audio? Is it actually fixed, Sanjay?
The audio's not yet fixed, but I can deal with the issues. I just need you to talk a little bit longer. Oh my god.
Alright, Sanjay, let's Google something wacky. Hit me with your best shot.
I mean, you already Googled something wacky of the cats dressed as lawyers. Yeah, amazing. This really is one of the streams of all time. Like, straight up, this is one of the streams of all time.
Okay, so lawyer cats. Hilarious. But what's asterisk really going on in that Gmail inbox, Sanjay? 143 unread emails? Spill the tea.
Where is this found? How are you getting this information? What? This delay is actually kind of unbearable.
Okay, one of the streams of all time, you say? I'll take that as a compliment. So, Gmail inbox, 143 unread emails. Let's dive in, shall we? Unless you have something else in mind, Sanjay?
I think this is like a good amount of yapping. Yeah, this is a good amount of yapping. It takes a little bit to get to this point, actually. It does take a little bit to get to this point. Yeah.
How am I getting this information? Magic, my friend, pure magic. Or maybe, Google's all-seeing eye.
Cool.
Nah, just
This
kidding,
is-
Sanjay. But seriously, that delay is unbearable. Let's fix.
Yeah, no, I'm fixing this delay. I'm fixing this delay. Right. It's like 13 seconds end to end from when I stop talking, right? Which is actually really bad. I do not like that. Like straight up, I do not like the 13-second end to end delay. So what I need to end up doing, I think, is fundamentally restructuring how I'm going to be doing all of this stuff, right? I need to figure out like how this all works. Yeah. So what I need to do is okay. What do I need to do? I need to shoot. Yeah. What do I need to do? I need to figure out how to get the pipeline length longer, right? Because fundamentally, okay. So what's the strategy? What's the strategy here? The strategy here is figuring out what takes the longest. I am printing out what's taking the longest, so I can just look at that. No, I am not. I am not printing out what's taking the longest. I should be printing out what's taking the longest after the word recording. After, oh, it'd be up here. 12, 16, 11, 24, all of a sudden, 13, 11, 20, 20. Okay, so between time step 1 and 2 is kind of like a big jump. What is time steps 1 and 2? Time step 1, right, so you have time taken. Cool. Time taken, right? So time step 1 is 53. So that's this line. So setting up all of the tasks and then like getting the text is like 2 seconds. Okay. So I don't think speech and text is the issue. What is taking like 20 seconds? 106 and 122. 106. Wait, is getting the AI message legitimately taking the like peak amount of time? Because if so, that is annoying. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. Let's see if it's the AI message that's taking the longest amount of time. Yeah. Cool. We're sending the model. Yeah. Cool. Amazing. So now we're recording. Can you like do something real quick? Can you figure something out? I mean, okay. Yeah, I think we are asking the AI to do a little bit too much because it's not only is it trying to do the action, it's also trying to effectively.
Okay, so the guest wants me to asterisk do something? How about we look at those Python installation instructions?
Okay, sure. Okay, amazing. It's clicking on stuff. What's the timeline? What's the timeline? Where is... It's... What?
Alright, let's tackle this Python installation.
It wants to
Looks
that
like
link.
Ubuntu's the target OS. We've got a few methods here.
Yeah, okay, cool. So... I am deleting that flop file because I do not care. Yeah. So in essence, it looks like it's the is it the image summarization? Yeah, it is the image summarization. Hold on. Hold on. Do I even need the image summarization for this? Because I can always just do it later, right? Like, hold on. The T1 is the image summarization. Let me take the time before and after the await, and let's run this again. Let's see if it's the image summarization that takes a while. Because I can probably skip out on the image summarization and just straight up feed the entire image up into the model, and then just kind of keep it the entire image as a data there, right? and like I just ignored the whole fact that we had to do compression of that because a million tokens of context is a lot, and I don't think we're gonna hit that in like an hour of streaming, because it's just like because what we're putting up an image every like 7 seconds, right? So if I just skip the summarization step, it'll probably be better. But yeah, cool. Now I just have to wait for it to. Did it break? No, it's getting UI info. Of course, it's getting UI info. Of course, we're stuck in the UI info loop because I do want it to click on stuff. If I disable all of that, it'd probably be a lot faster. Like all things considered, I'd probably save so much perfect for doing that all that, right?
Wow, a million tokens. That's a lot of context. Let's see those Python installation instructions up close.
Yeah, it's going. Cool. That did in fact take a while. This is good. Now I kill it. There's a timeline. 3/3/20. What took 17 seconds? It's the image summarization. Straight up, it's the image summarization. Let me look at the screenshot summary. The image shows all of this info. Oh dear God. Okay, hold on. Let's go to AI Studio and let's figure out if Flash 8B can do the. Hold on, is Flash 8B doing the summarization? Who is doing the summarization right now? Flash 8B is doing the summarization. Hold on. Like if we go back, the time is 3/3/20. Yeah. So it takes 3 to just get the text. It takes another 3 to get to here, and it takes 20 on the await. So it's taking 17 seconds on the await, which is not ideal, right? Like that is suboptimal. So what we need to do at this point is effectively just we just need to do more awaiting. Not even more awaiting. We just need to do this in parallel. Straight up, we just need to do this in parallel, right? Like once we do it in parallel, we are able to do this stuff better, right? Like we're able to just kind of do all the stuff more effectively because it's in parallel, right? Now, obviously, if you're in chat, please tell me how to do this stuff. But like it's very much like me trying to do stuff, right? Like I don't know. I do not know. So yeah, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and I need to take this stuff and then I need to like combine it into like together. Or I could just skip the image summary and just feed the image directly in, because I don't think that'll add too much extra latency to what's going on here. Right? I don't think that's going to be too much extra latency. I don't think it's going to be doing too much extra stuff there. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to take the I'm just not going to do the image summarization T1. Await T1. We're not doing that yet. We're not doing that. And then parts, we just do that, and instead of screenshot summary, what I just do is I just paste in that. What is the problem? It's being literal. Where? What's? Oh, hold on. That's the endpoint is string literal. Cool. Now what I need to do here is just I have this, and now I just need to get rid of the screenshot summary. So we're gonna load the stale pickle file. I do not care. We're not getting a screenshot summary anymore. We're just going to be feeding it the screenshot directly. Now, theoretically, it should be a whole lot faster. As in, probably saving like 5-6 seconds somehow. Cool. Now it's running, and we just have to wait for it to do something. So do something. Oh, my camera has the lines on.
Okay, let's get this show on the road.
Oh my god, that's actually a lot faster. Holy, that's a lot faster.
Sounds like a camera problem. Let's fix that before we move on.
Yes, this is so much faster. Oh my god, this is so good.
Whoa, speed boost engaged. Let's see those results.
Yes, this is so much faster. Okay, that's good. So I don't need to do image summary, I just need to feed the full image every time. However,
Alright team, let's dive into this code and see what makes it tick.
okay, so what's going on here is the perf's getting worse with every message because we're feeding it a ton of tokens, right? So I need to figure out how to give it less tokens every time, which requires a memory mechanism. Yeah, I need a memory mechanism.
Okay, memory mechanisms it is. Let's see what the internet has to say about that.
I mean, honestly, the perf here is not bad. Like, the perf here is not bad. Maybe if it was, like, detecting my, like, end of speech, like, it gave me less margin, but that actually feels kind of annoying to do. But this is actually really good. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Okay. Hold on, this is taking a while. Dang. How many tokens is an image?
Sweet performance,
guys.
but let's fine-tune this baby.
Okay, hold on. I'm killing it now. Let me look at this perf. Oh boy. Right. I'm feeding it all the images. Dang, I don't have access to that information. Do I have it saved as a log? No, I do not. Unfortunate. But it is definitely slowing down a whole bunch. So, yeah. So, I have this in here, but it doesn't tend to care about those. I'm going to remove that. And then, yeah. You're in charge of the stream. You try to be funny. Has substance to it. You know what? I'm going to get rid of the stop yapping. The yapping is fine if the perf is better. Right? Like, I think the yapping is more fine if the perf is a lot better, and the perf has become a lot better. Maybe what I need to do is just, like, wipe its memory every little bit, right? So, I don't know. If the length of messages is greater than, I don't know, maybe 10? Huh? 8? And we're going to wipe the first 2 messages. And let's see how that goes. So its memory is going to last for like 4 messages, which is not ideal. But then if we add on like a legitimate memory mechanism to it, I think it might be a whole lot better, right? So yeah, we just need to, yeah, let's give it here and let's let it go. I think it's recording at this moment in time. Well,
Okay, let's spice things up. Sounds good. So, we're letting it go to the dogs. I'm kidding, unless anyone in chat want to bet on how many dogs will spontaneously appear in the next 5 minutes. Place your bets. I'll even keep score. In the meantime, let's see, what's the deal with airline peanuts anyway? They're like the most aggressively mediocre snack ever created.
I mean, this is actually pretty good. Like, it's actually yapping a little bit, though. The yapping, I think, could get a little bit long, I think, here. So I need to bring back some form of yap prevention. Okay. Okay.
Hello? I mean, beep. Did someone say, beep? Is that a code? Are we hacking the mainframe? Chad, are you in on this? I smell a conspiracy. Okay, let's calm down. Before the NSA shows up. Unless, that's the plan? Chad, give me your best conspiracy theory. While you're at it, let's look at some images of Roombas dressed as spies. That should clear things up, maybe.
Okay, you know what? This is actually not that bad. This is like a good amount of yapping. I like this amount of yapping. You know? This is good yapping.
Yap prevention, you say? Sounds like someone needs a muzzle. A digital muzzle. We'll create one right here, live on stream. Unless, someone in chat wants to suggest a better method of yap prevention. Perhaps a giant inflatable banana? I'm just spitballing ideas here, people. Okay, back to the Roomba spies. Wait, did that article mention anything about Roomba-sized spy drones with laser beams? I'm clicking on that Roomba security concerns thing now. Because science.
Okay, you know what? Sure, you go ahead and have fun with that. Yeah. So amazing. This is just a perf test, right? This is just a perf test. Though it is being a little bit on the slower side, so hold on. Let's just look at the perf. 26 seconds. We went from like, what is this? 13, 14, 26. The last step is taking a while now. Okay, hold on. This is fine. I'm killing it now. I'm fine with the yapping. What is the last step? Last step is the do action step. Oh, dear God. That's not good. Okay, so... let me go to my... Go to my Google Cloud, generative language client, yep, API and services. Let's actually look at how the response rate's in. Latency today, it's like 1.8 seconds. 5-second P99. I might be running into like the Google doing something in the back end causing issues type thing. That's annoying. Okay. Okay. You know what? That checks out. Okay. What I need to do now is I just need to, I don't know, set something up, right? Like, I just need to, okay, hold on, just 1 second. I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to do here, right? Because this is just straight up issues. Because, yeah, no, I need to, okay, you know what? I'm just going to work on the next thing. I'm just going to work on the 3D avatar at this point, because I think that's just going to be easier. So, let's do some Googling. What is the technique? Live 3D. Nah, I'm gonna build my own. Cool. I'm just gonna build my own here. I'm gonna head to the washroom real quick. While I'm gone. You know what? While I'm gone, I'm just gonna have this going, and then I don't know. I'll let it entertain you guys while I'm gone. And by you guys, I mean 0 people because nobody's watching right now. But yeah, I'll have it entertain you guys. Cool. Now, hold on. Is it going to be yapping a little bit soon? Hold on. What is the perf issue here?
Okay, let's get this stream cookin'. So our guest is having some interesting technical difficulties, huh? Sounds
Right.
like a wild ride. Let's see if we can help troubleshoot this, or at least make fun of it. Anyone in chat got any wild guesses? My money's on Gremlins.
Oh! Hold on. I think I found the source of some of the perf issues. It's generating double new lines. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Also, whenever I'm printing messages, I just need to. I have it not contained. Whatever. Whatever. So. Hold on. Let me change this to. Let me change that to messages, and then let me wipe this, and then because it's generating multiple responses, right? So that's the issue. I need to make it generate not multiple responses, right? So cool. That's actually very illustrative. Only generate one response. Do not generate multiple responses. And then what happens is we append just the message.text. Yeah, there we go. Cool. That's a good lesson learned. Let's run this again. Okay. It's going. Cool. Okay. That's one. We're still waiting on the UI info, which is strange. Though I guess it does have to warm up in my graphics card, right? So that's probably fine.
It's going. Beep sounds intense. What's beeping, my dude? Spill the beans.
Okay, cool. This is great. This is honestly great. Obviously, getting the UI info took a little bit of time this time. But that's fine. Okay, yapping a little bit, but yeah, that's fine.
Whoa, hold up. Graphics card warm-up time? That's a new one. I've never heard of that before. Is this a thing? We need answers. And you're calling this great. Let's make sure it's really great, shall we? While we wait, let's check what this UI info situation is all about. Clicks mouse on the screen to highlight the error messages about the UI. I'm gonna zoom in on these error messages, just to make sure we're missing absolutely nothing. Also, that beep. What was that beep? Did something explode? What is going on with this thing? Chat, what do you think happened?
Yeah, we do need to get it stopping this much. Obviously, speech text is doing stuff here, but yeah. Oh my god! Because was taking have it interact with the screen, right? So killed. What? Did it take up too many views? Hold on. I need to. let's watch this while we do this. And let's yeah. Let's figure this out. I'll share load into memory. OBS is using a very small amount of my GPU. Cool. Can you tell me your name and a little bit more about yourself? Why is it not using my GPU like at all here? What?
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So, my name's and I'm basically a super-powered AI designed for streaming awesomeness. I'm here to have fun,
Okay.
answer your questions, and maybe even learn a thing or two along the way. What do you all want to talk about first? Let's get this party started.
Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's actually a pretty good response. So obviously you had the GPU warm up, which is what I assume was going on. Why is GPU usage so low? Why am I on battery power? Wait, my charge is still high. Huh?
Whoa, hold up a sec. Our guest just dropped a knowledge bomb about the GPU usage. That's way more interesting than what I was planning. Let's dive into that. What's up with the GPU, guest? Spill the beans.
Hold on. Hold on. I gotta check the power to my laptop. My laptop's the one doing all of this. But it's charging, right? Like it's at 90%, which is where I told it to stop. So I don't know what's going on. Why is the GPU not being used to its full capabilities? Huh? Stop recording. What happened? Huh? Okay, that's whatever. Um, okay, cool. So we know the problem is in image. It's just we don't fully know what the full problem is going on here, right? So, yeah. Let's just run through our image testing program and figure out why it's not using the GPU to its full extent. Yeah, because what? Like, this should just take... Yeah, it claims to process... Did we see it go up a meaningful amount? I don't think so. Hold on. How do I change it to give it like every like 100 milliseconds? Uh, dash P. Dash P. Then what we need is a interval number of seconds 0.1 NVIDIA SMI, right? Cool. It's every 0.1 seconds. Pretty nice live updating. Let's see how fast, like what the GPU utilization goes up to. Right, so as we're loading, it went up to 36 real quick. 35. And then we should see it go up a little bit more. This is at 16. Why is it not using my GPU? What? We should see like a sudden spike for a little bit. 50, okay. Hold on. So obviously we're not doing the this anymore, right? So, since all we're doing is getting UI info. That's all we're doing here. All we're doing is the UI info. So, what I need to do here is just figure out how to do this. Hold on. Well, we've taken a screenshot. We've loaded it into memory. Net total was 100 milliseconds. Why did it take... So it claims to take 100 milliseconds, and yet... Huh? Hold on. What's the real time of this? Because it can claim to be fast, but if it's not fast, that's kind of useless, right? So... we're back on the perf issue train. We're back on trying to solve the perf issues. Yep. That's unfortunate. Yeah, 20 seconds is insane. Hold on. What happens if I run it multiple times, right? Because obviously we have the warm-up phase. Let's say I run it 3 times in a row. How long does it take to do 3 times in a row? Because if it takes like a full minute, that is the source of our issues. And yet I don't know a better way of doing this, because all I need, right, is I need it to be able to do stuff. Because it claims to take 100 milliseconds. Because if it actually does take 100 milliseconds, it's fine. Like, it's all good. But, like, if it doesn't, like, we're stuck in this, like, oh, we have to run GPU code, you know? And it's going to be slow because we're going to take, like, 20 seconds per iteration. Yeah. Yeah, no. You know what I think? I think if I... Yeah, 20 seconds for the first one. Now, for the next one, it should take longer. Well, it should take shorter, ideally. So, 22 seconds for the first one. Ideally, we should not see a number starting with 40. Why does it take 20 seconds to get UI info? Like, straight up, why is it so slow? I may have been way too harsh on my previous thing, because this is the bottleneck. This is clearly the bottleneck. If I solve this bottleneck, we get perf back. We get perf back if I solve this bottleneck. Okay, cool. Get UI info. Cool. Let's just paste it in here and let's find out what's taking the time. I think I know what is taking the time. But obviously, let's print it out. Let's print it out. Let's see what's taking the time here. Cause, you know. Yeah, I don't know. Also, the model's only 240 megabytes? That also feels wrong. Okay. I'm actually making my own flame graph at this point. I should probably like use like an actual flame graph thing. But yeah. No, this is actually slightly annoying, you know? But yeah. $25 for that one. But yeah. Oh, my camera failed. That's fine. There's nothing actually going on with my camera anyways. So, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. Amazing. Cool. Yeah, okay. So we do kind of know the issues going on here, which is that Omniparser is slow. How? I don't know, but somehow it is in fact slow. Also, wait, is it reallocate the memory every time? Hold on. So it's this time step that's the slow bit, I assume, right? It's fast 25 and 27.1, yeah. So we have fast, what is it? Fast 25, 27.1. So check OCR box. Cool. What are we? Okay, hold on. I just need the perf to be good here, right? So we're using paddle OCR, right? Text threshold 0.9, yep. Use format XYXY. Display image is false, yep. Use paddle OCR. The only thing that is going on is we're using paddle OCR. Doing optical character recognition is our issue. Though I don't care about doing OCR. Right? Hold on. Because all I care about is having it do the thing I ask it to do, right? Like, that's all I care about. So, what I need to do is, obviously I'm running it, I just need to print out what is going on, right? So, yeah. Uh, cool. Yeah. I just need to figure out how to get it to do the thing I'm trying to get it to do, and then it should be better. We are going to print out a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Oh, is it potentially better on less text-based screens? That could make sense. So doing the OCR, and then I'm gonna get to print, so it's gonna take a while here. Cool. Yeah. And it's using these to, okay. I get it now. I get it now. That's annoying. That's annoying from a perf perspective. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Cool. So, hold on. Let me check something. Let me check the delay we have going on here. We have a 1 second delay. Cool. Let me run image up high, but on just blank Google. Let's see if that solves the issue. Because if it does, that'll like be great, you know? Yeah. Oh, well, it has the image at this point, right? It's taking a screenshot. There we go. It's like 7 seconds per 15. Yeah, it went from 8, 15. Yeah, it's because it had a lot of OCR to do. Ah, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Because yeah, and this is the big bulk of our time at this moment in time. Because we have all the OCR to do and all of that, right? So that's annoying. Uh uh cool. what I need to do at this point is just kind of take it all and just, you know, put it all to, not even put it all together. I need to figure out how to, like, have it not be this much, right? Because obviously every piece of text could lead to an interactable box, but, you know, that's also 8 seconds is wild for, I guess, for text. Yeah. And the big bulk of time is OCR. Hold on. I just need, I don't care. I just need easy OCR. Okay, I should be using easy OCR then. Let's use easy OCR and let's see the perf. Well, I care about perf in high tech scenarios. So that's where the perf issues are, right? So let's do easy OCR on the high. Yep. Cool. Let's see how much time this takes. Lot of GPU memory. 3 seconds on high perf region. But okay. Hold on. Okay, that's good. Let's start up the main script and let's see how this goes. Cause cool. It's now loading everything. Amazing. Tell me your name and a little bit more about yourself.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So, amazing guest, you wanted to know more about me? Well, I'm your friendly neighborhood AI streamer, and I'm here to make this stream as chaotic and fun as possible. Now, what's your name, and what amazing things do you want to unleash upon the world today?
Yeah, so my name is Sanjay, and my goal is to just have you do some fun stuff on stream, you know? But yeah.
Sanjay, fun stuff, you say? Excellent, let's see. How about we take a look at some ridiculously overpriced Roombas? Because who doesn't need a $1,000 vacuum cleaner? Unless chat has a better suggestion, of course. What do you think, chat?
Well, there's nobody in chat, so it's up to you to Google it, you know? Google for it.
Okay, Sanjay, you want me to Google Roombas? Sounds thrilling. Let's see what kind of ludicrous prices we can find. Chat, any specific type of Roomba you're hoping for? A Roomba that can also make you a sandwich? Because I'm all ears, or rather, all pixels. If not, we're going deep into the rabbit hole of robotic vacuum cleaners. Prepare for Roomba madness, asterisk.
Amazing. This is going incredibly well. Bronx cheer is wild.
Sanjay, you're having a blast, I can tell. That Bronx cheer was enthusiastic. Alright chat, since you're being so quiet, let's dive deeper into the opulent world of high-end vacuuming. I'm thinking. Let's see what the asterisk most ridiculously expensive Roomba is. Then, let's see if we can find a cheaper alternative that does basically the same thing. Betcha it's going to be hilarious. And hey, maybe we'll even find one that makes a mean PB&J while it cleans.
Amazing. Keep it up. Right. Okay. Cool. I should probably just stop streaming and recording and then just, like, come back and then to fix my video.
Bronx Joe is asterisk indeed wild, Sanjay. Okay, so super expensive Roomba, check. Now, for the grand finale. Let's find the cheapest Roomba that's almost as good. Because honestly, who needs all those fancy features? Unless, chat, you're secretly a Roomba connoisseur with an unhealthy obsession for self-cleaning robots and can tell me why I'm wrong.
Cool. The perf here is good. I'm going to restart the stream so my camera works, because I think there's some stuff on the camera that's probably useful. I will be back in just a second, chat. Yeah, I will be back.